I'm Jennifer Gooden, Sustainability Director for the City of Oklahoma City. As part of the energy efficiency and conservation strategy that was developed in 2009, we wanted to take a look at how we could make our communities more walkable and bikeable. And as we talked to people who were involved in urban design around the country, Dan Burden's name repeatedly came up. So we were really excited in June of this year to be able to bring Dan Burden and Sarah Bowman from the Walkable and Livable Communities Institute here to Oklahoma City to offer a two-day workshop. Our focus was on walkability in neighborhoods. So we reached out to neighborhood leaders and all kinds of people across the community to come together and really learn about the principles that make an area walkable. We started out in the morning by having an overview presentation that talked about the principles and elements of walkability. Following that, we got really hands-on. We went out into the neighborhoods. On the first day, we did the Gatewood neighborhood, walking from the Plaza District through the Gatewood neighborhood to Gatewood Elementary. And on the second day, we went to the Classen Tenpin neighborhood. In both of those walks, it was great to be able to walk to an intersection or a park, a school, or just a place on a particular street and talk about what elements were working and what weren't. In the afternoons, we came back together, and one of the great things about this workshop is that it was highly interactive. We had a planning exercise where people got really engaged in looking at maps of the areas that we had just walked. Around the tables, we had neighborhood leaders together with college students, urban design professionals, traffic planners, disability advocates, all of these people coming together to talk about making improvements to the built environment. To situate what we had learned in the context of Oklahoma City, we had a few great local speakers come in to provide their perspective. We had Blair Humphreys from the Institute for Quality Communities at the University of Oklahoma, and he joined us to talk about the history of the Plaza District and how these diverse set of elements come together here to create that magic that you see here in the Plaza District that makes this such a vibrant area. We also had Russell Klaus, who's the Planning Director for the City of Oklahoma City, who talked about all the other activities that the city has taken on to improve walkability. For example, Project 180 and the various MAPS projects, including MAPS 3, and a lot of other different elements to make Oklahoma City's neighborhoods more vibrant and exciting. We also had Kristen Vales, who's the Executive Director of the Plaza District Association, talk about some of the activities that happen here and how they're able to add the social element to a great physical space. We heard nothing but good comments as a result of this workshop. People were really excited to be there, and I hope that others left the workshop as I did after my first workshop, and that's with new eyes to see the environment around us. And for those of us who aren't urban designers or civil engineers or people who work in this business, it's really so empowering to have the vocabulary to describe what you're seeing and have the language to be able to know what changes you'd like to make to your neighborhood. We were really excited to have the opportunity to bring the Walkable and Livable Communities Institute to Oklahoma City. At the same time, the Walkable and Livable Communities Institute released a brand new walking audit toolkit that we made available to all the participants at the workshop. This is a toolkit that gives neighborhood groups the ability to continue working on walkability back in their own communities. It helps you take environments that you may have been around all your life and see them with new eyes as you understand the elements that come together to make a place feel really vibrant and exciting and walkable. Our intention is for people to be able to go back to their neighborhoods with the vocabulary and the knowledge to explain walkability and to be able to talk about it in a way that elevates the understanding of walkability for everyone in the community. The participants were so excited to be there that they have now formed a walkability group that is meeting on an ongoing basis. That group is at its first meeting, and the purpose is to get more engaged in walkability and more fully learn the principles and be able to serve as a resource to neighborhoods that want to have a walkability audit or survey done in their own neighborhoods. Anyone who's interested in this resource can email the Sustainability Office. Our email address is sustainability@okc.gov. You can also find out more information on our website, where there's a calendar of sustainability events that are upcoming, and we always have a variety of educational and outreach events, and those are all posted on our website.